Are you ready to protect your family's future without paying thousands in legal fees? Let me introduce you to Quicken WillMaker Trust by Nolo, a powerful estate planning tool that helps you create wills, living trusts, and more, right from your home. And guess what? You can now get an exclusive 25% off using my special link in the description and pinned comment. Limited time offer only. Overview and features. Quicken WillMaker Trust is one of the most trusted and affordable estate planning tools out there, built by Nolo, America's leading legal publisher. It walks you through every step with a simple interview process, so there's no confusion or legal jargon. You can create wills and living trusts, power of attorney documents, living wills and health directives, estate plans for everyone in your immediate family. It's perfect for individuals, couples, homeowners, and even business owners, all without needing an expensive lawyer. And yes, with my exclusive 25% off discount, you can grab any plan for much less. If you're serious about protecting your loved ones and want to save hundreds on legal fees, Quicken WillMaker Trust is 100% worth it. It's simple, secure, and recognized nationwide. So don't wait. Click the exclusive link in the description or pinned comment right now to claim your 25% off and get started on your estate plan today. This is Faisal from Elite Notch Reviews, bringing you the smartest deals on AI tools and software every day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to secure their future the smart way.